Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Romania integrates Merops counter-drone system into national air defense architecture to strengthen airspace protection. Romania has fully operationalized and integrated the Merops counter-drone system into the air defense architecture of its armed forces. The system was made available by the United States within the framework of the bilateral strategic partnership. The Ministry of National Defense said Merops was subjected to rigorous testing, evaluation, and operational validation before being fielded. Its integration is intended to strengthen Romania's ability to detect and counter threats generated by unmanned aerial systems. Merops is described as a modern technological solution based on artificial intelligence algorithms. The system is designed to detect, track and neutralize small low-altitude aerial targets. The Romanian Defense General Staff is continuing to adapt its airspace surveillance and defense system. The goal is to improve response capacity and provide a higher level of protection for the population. The system complements measures already implemented to protect Romania's national airspace. It adds to the Romanian Armed Forces' wider air defense and counter-UAS counter-unmanned aircraft system capabilities. Romania said the modernization of these capabilities is being carried out in coordination with allies and partners. The effort is aimed at responding effectively to current security challenges. The Ministry of National Defense said the Romanian Armed Forces will continue developing and modernizing air defense and counter-drone systems. The stated objective is to ensure the protection of citizens and national territory. The Merops deployment reflects Romania's continued focus on strengthening defenses against small aerial threats. It also underscores the role of allied cooperation in supporting Romania's airspace protection measures. Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.